Turning now to a rise in whooping cough cases here in Texas. Those cases reaching numbers we haven't seen in more than a decade. State health officials say more than 3,500 cases have been reported so far this year, 10 times the total from just a couple years ago. The disease is hitting children the hardest. Symptoms can start like a cold, but can turn into severe coughing fits that make it hard to breathe. Doctors say the best protection is vaccination, keeping infants away from sick family members, and simple prevention like hand washing.